The Laker 712 DLX is built for durability, comfort, and ease of use. Let's take a quick look at what makes this mini pontoon a great choice for the water. With sealed pontoons, there's no need for a bilge pump, meaning less maintenance and more time enjoying the water. Weighing approximately 635 pounds, it's light enough for easy towing and launching while still providing a stable and sturdy ride. This low weight also makes it easier to pull up onto the shore and maneuver around docks with minimal effort. The dual air chamber pontoons and rigid frame provide excellent stability, making this a safe and sturdy ride in any conditions. Built from welded .090 gauge aluminum, this boat is lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion, ensuring years of reliable use. Explore more and reach those hard-to-find fishing spots with ease, thanks to the shallow draft of the square pontoons. Unlike traditional round pontoons, the Laker 712 DLX features square pontoons, providing greater stability, higher weight capacity, and a more spacious deck layout. The all-aluminum deck is coated with a tough truck bed liner, adding extra durability and a non-slip surface for safety and longevity. With its square pontoons, the boat stays steady when stepping on or off, eliminating the unsteady rocking you get with round pontoons. This makes boarding from a dock effortless and provides a safer, more accessible option for those with mobility challenges. Enjoy plush bench seating with built-in under-seat storage. Perfect for keeping your gear organized and within reach. Powered by an electric motor with an onboard charger, the Laker 712 DLX offers a quiet and eco-friendly boating experience. The front captain's chairs can be removed, giving you the flexibility to create more open deck space for fishing, lounging, or additional gear. All Lakers are easy to dock and can be pulled up directly onto the shore's edge, thanks to its reinforced flat-bottomed square pontoons. Plus, the motor can be tilted up to keep it out of the water when not in use. Stay cool on hot days with the included bimini top, providing shade and comfort whenever you need it. Compact, maneuverable, and designed for smooth cruising, the Laker 712 DLX is perfect for fishing, relaxing, or casual outings. Reinforced front plates make landing and launching from the shore smooth and hassle-free. Easily pick up passengers and head out without needing a dock or ramp. No need to worry about tricky boarding, unstable rides, or complicated setups. This boat is all about effortless enjoyment on the water. Whether you're casting a line, cruising with friends, or just soaking in the view, it's built to make every moment stress-free. And the best part? We ship it straight to you anywhere in the continental US, so your next adventure is closer than you think. Check the description for a link to get more details and see how you can get your hands on this amazing boat today.